Mira eso,
Pero dime.
Sí. Yo, mira, 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 mira. Oh, mierda. Salió el mismo día que iba a salir los restos no al cielo de hoy. Por eso. Oh, mierda. Por eso, mira eso,
Pero dime.
Sí. Yo, mira, 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 mira. Oh, mierda. Por eso, mira eso,
Pero dime.
Sí. Yo, mira, 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 mira. Oh, mierda.
It's gone down.
A domestic violence terrorist. John Henry Brown closed with a powerful recitation of his theme.
Come quick. Come quick.
Came a day, and then two, and then three. Mark Stover's loyal friends and clients kept vigil. Then came word. The verdict was in.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Michael Glenn Oakes, guilty.
Guilty. Not self-defense. Murder.
All rise, please.
And then the next month, the convicted killer stood before the judge to be sentenced. Though first, Michael Oakes had a thing or two to say.
I would like to apologize to members of this